Hey everyone, welcome to a journey back in time to the heart of ancient Sunda in West Java, Indonesia. Today, we're diving into a profound philosophy called Tritangtu, a life lesson from the Sundanese people that still echoes in our modern world. Before we explore this wisdom, let us step into the world of Sunda Wiwitan and the ancient Sundanese society that gave birth to it. Stick around. This is going to be a fascinating ride. Imagine a time, centuries ago, when the Sundanese people thrived in the fertile lands of West Java. This was the era of the Sunda kingdom, flourishing from the 7th century until its fall in 1579, when it was overtaken by the Banten Sultanate. At its peak, the kingdom, centered in Pakuan Pajajaran, was ruled by figures like Sri Baduga Maharaja, also known as Prabu Siliwangi, a legendary king celebrated for his wisdom and leadership. But beyond the grandeur of kings and palaces, there was a spiritual heartbeat, Sunda Wiwitan, the ancestral belief system of the Sundanese. Sunda Wiwitan, meaning the beginning of Sunda, wasn't just a religion, it was a way of life. It honored the harmony between humans, nature, and the divine. This philosophy shaped the Sundanese, especially communities like the Badui, who still preserve these ancient traditions today. Unlike the Hindu-Buddhist influences that later spread across Java, Sunda Wiwitan was rooted in animism and ancestor worship, emphasizing a deep connection to the cosmos. Ancient manuscripts, like the Sanghyang Siksakandangkaresian from 1518, reveal how the Sundanese saw the universe not as a chaotic void, but as a structured unity guided by three essential elements. And that brings us to Tritangtu. So, what is Tritangtu? The word itself means threefold unity in Old Sundanese, and it's a cosmic framework that divides existence into three interconnected realms. Let me break it down for you. Tritangtu, the upper world. Think of it as the sky, water, and the feminine essence. It's the realm of the divine, the unseen forces that inspire and sustain life. Then there's Buana Larang, the underworld, symbolized by earth, land, and the masculine. This is the physical, grounded reality we walk on every day. And finally, Buana Pankatenga, the middle world, represented by stone, humanity, and the balance of both male and female. This is where we live, the bridge between the heavens and the earth. Tritangtu isn't just a map of the universe, it's a philosophy of harmony. The Sundanese believed these three worlds aren't separate, they're united in a sacred marriage. The upper and lower worlds come together, and the middle world, us, holds it all in balance. It's like a cosmic dance where every step matters. This idea also shows up in everyday life. Take the Badui villages, for instance. They're divided into three zones: inner, middle, and outer, reflecting this triadic harmony. Even in their actions, the Sundanese followed a trinity of tekad, ukap, lampa, will, words, and deeds. Everything you think, say, and do should align to create a life that's whole and meaningful. But here's the kicker. Unlike the dualistic thinking of many modern philosophies, good versus evil, us versus them, Tritangtu doesn't see conflict as the end game. Instead, it seeks a middle path, a resolution that benefits all. It's about unity, not domination. Now, you might be wondering, how does a philosophy from ancient Sunda matter in our fast-paced, tech-driven world? The answer is more than you think. In today's society, we're often stuck in extremes: work versus rest, ambition versus peace, individuality versus community. Tritangtu offers a way out. It reminds us to find balance, to see ourselves as part of a bigger whole. Think about it. The upper world could be your dreams and aspirations, the lower world your daily grind, and the middle world your ability to weave them together into a life that feels complete. For example, in a world obsessed with productivity, Tritangtu whispers, slow down, align your intentions with your actions. It's like the Sundanese saying Bunang Laukna, Harangkaina, catch the fish, keep the water clear. Win-win solutions aren't just possible, they're the goal. This philosophy also speaks to sustainability. The Sundanese lived close to nature, respecting its rhythms. Today, as we face climate change, Tritangtu urges us to reconnect with the earth, to see humanity as stewards, not conquerors. Even in relationships, it's a call to harmonize differences rather than letting them divide us. In short, Tritangtu isn't some dusty relic. It is a timeless guide for living well in a chaotic world. So, what can we take from Tritangtu? It's simple yet profound. Life is about balance, connection, and purpose. The ancient Sundanese didn't just survive. They thrived by aligning their will, words, and actions. And we can too. Here's a challenge for you. This week, try applying Tritangtu in your own life. Start small. Before you act, pause and ask, does this match my intentions? Does it benefit me and those around me? Maybe it's choosing kindness over conflict, or taking a moment to appreciate nature instead of scrolling your phone. Let's bring a little ancient Sunda into the present. If you found this inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. How will you practice Tritangtu? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep seeking harmony in all you do.